For more than a decade now, Rajkumar Mandal has been fighting to prove he's an Indian citizen. The daily wage worker was declared a foreigner by a tribunal in India's northeastern state of Assam in 2016. Since then, he spent 4 years in detention and is currently on bail. Mandal insists he was born in the state and he is not an undocumented immigrant.
We've heard there is something called the Citizen Amendment Act which is supposed to help us, but I don't understand what the CAA is. One thing is certain, I was born in Assam. My father and grandfather have documents here.
Mandal is among nearly 2 million people in Assam who've been excluded from a National Register of Citizens updated in 2019. The BJP says he can get an Indian citizenship through a recently enacted controversial law that sets religion as a criterion. The Citizenship Amendment Law, or CAA, provides a fast track to naturalization for Sikhs, Parsis, Hindus, Jains, Buddhists and Christians who fled Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan before 2014. But it excludes Muslims from these countries. Citizenship in Assam is a controversial issue, as it's seen waves of migrations of both Hindus and Muslims. It's now dividing voters on ethnic and religious grounds.
As far as the minority Muslim community is concerned, it's a narrative. They have been creating a narrative, and narrative is this, that they are not part of the indigenous culture. It is creating a lot of polarization when you see it from the perspective of electoral dynamics.
More than 4 years after the bill's approval in Parliament, the government has implemented it just ahead of this year's general election, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is seeking a third term. The passage of the law led to violent protests in 2019, with critics saying it undermined India's secular identity. Muslims are worried the law, combined with the proposed citizenship registry, could be used to target them.
Do you think any Muslim will have atrocity in a country where Muslim is the majority, like Pakistan, like Afghanistan, like Bangladesh? I don't think so. The answer is very clear. Hindus might have some religious atrocities, but not Muslim.
But certain Muslim minorities within Muslim-majority nations face persecution too, especially in neighbouring countries like Afghanistan and Pakistan. But they won't be able to apply for citizenship. And now, many fear India's status as a secular state will be put to test under this law. Um-e-Kulsoom, Shariff, Al Jazeera.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.